Chamgeji sabkalenjina mangungui tugulele imite koy baibaye akigere keteshet nebo Kass TV itagateng logoiwekab emet kigurena Jacqueline Arusein. Kakomange President William Ruto akomwa kole maiyanat kotestai osaek tutugin chebo police kosuldae yautik chengeme imandab biikab emet mising kobun boisiet neya nebo barainwek cheterter chenamu eng kebeberwek chebo National Police Service. Ng'ololen komasta nebo Ngong eng kasarta nekaindochin tetutiet nebo ng'emetab karik chemaiyonotin komwa Ruto kole agenge eng tetutik chebendi kosuldae serikali eng budget nenyone kokanapta kamugetab police nebo koyai boisiet eng oret nemagat. Kamitei koratak minister nebo ribetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen nekakon kayamiset kole wendi ministry nenyinet kokere kole kaisub ofisaekab police ng'atutik asimang'em imandab biikab emet.
And also the citizens of this country must know that they have our maximum support to deal with the few police officers who may misuse a firearm or even misuse their authority to harm citizens, like the case that we are dealing with the country at the moment. And we will deal, in such cases, we will deal with them firmly. I request the citizens also, Your Excellency, that they must respect the authority of police, because without respect of authority of police, there is anarchy. I saw one citizen in Nakuru when the police were trying to bring calm, and we are dealing with a very serious small gang in Nakuru town. When the police are trying to do so to make sure that the citizens are safe, some other citizen is carrying a panga, Your Excellency, attacking a police officer.
As has been said by the security minister here, equally protect citizens from rogue police officers and make sure that we hold them to account, so that we can have a nation that is based on the rule of law, where everybody is serving under the rule of law. We will not allow violence to take root in our communities, and we remain firmly committed to disarming those who threaten our peace and to strengthen the safety and security of every citizen.
Tesetai kasimjinet koityi ministry nebo ribsetab kalyet eng emet orit kong'ong ole mitei Edward Terer kanyoindet nemwaat kele kikinam eng tarik 2 arawetab lo eng kebeberta nebo Tot eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ole tomo kenai ole mitei agoi nguni. Ng'ololjin sirikab logoiwek kasarta nekayai kambagetab oret eng oretab Nakuru Eldoret nemitei eng county nebo Uasin Gishu konerekchin meng'ichoto kit nekamwa kole kitinygei ofisaekab police ak nametab kanyoindonoto kobate tomo kong'ong'chi icheket ole mitei kit nekasom ministry netonondojin ribsetab kalyet eng emet orit kotoret icheket konai ole mitei chamanenwa, kit netesetai koesio kandoik chetonondojin ribsetab kalyet kole mengen ole mitei werotok ako matinyegei ak nametab kanyoindonotok. Kinyoru reports kobun Timothy Kiplimo.
En kasarta nebo saishek chenekit 2 kokaker oretab Eldoret Nakuru meng'ik chebo kokwetab Mekun en county nebo Uasin Gishu en kabarunet nebo neregek akobo betetab Edward Terer. Kaker meng'ichoto oranoto en kebeberta nebo Ngeria komoche afisaek chetonondojin ribsetab kalyet kong'ong'chi ichek ole mitei Edward Terer, kanyoindet nenaat ko medical laboratorist nekikinam eng tarik 2 nebo arawani en kebeberta nebo Tot en county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet. Kit nekanerekchi ichek afisaekab police komoche keng'ong'chi ole mitei weroto kikobet en kasarta nebo betusiek 11 ako en inguni.
Kama alishikwa na kama alifanya makosa, tungesi serikali wangechukua hatua kutumia law. Why the laws are there? Wangepeleka yeye kotini kama alifanya makosa. Lakini mpaka saa hii hatujui mahali yako. We demand for justice for our son.
Kama ni ukweli amefanyiwa yenye alifanyiwa, mutupatie mwili. Na kama ni alishikwa, mupeleke kotini. Tuna haki ya kutetea Edward Kipchumba Terer. Tafadhali mutupatie. Ndio angalau hata mioyo yetu iweze kutulia. Mutupatie Edward Kipchumba Terer.
Agencies za security ifanye kazi yao. Tuletewe information, tupate report. Asante.
En kasarta nebo wikit agenge kityo ngap kenam kanyoindet noto ko kikinam kora brother-in-law nenyi ole tomo kenyor ichek anan konyor familia logoyo kotinygei ak ole mitei murenichoto aeng'u.
Mtu huyu ambaye tunamtafuta ameenda tangu tarehe 2 hadi tarehe ya leo hatujawahi kumuona. Tunasikia kwamba huyu kijana alishikwa na watu ambao wanajulikana ni kikosi ya polisi. Na up to leo kijana hajawahi kuonekana. Kwa hivyo tumesema kama wakaji wa Meru ni ya kwamba tunataka kijana wetu aletwe. Tumeona abduction mingi zikifanywa katika sehemu hii. Na hiyo maneno hatutakubali siku nyingine. Kama wakaji wa Meru tumeona vibaya sana kijana alienda kutibu watu huko, saa hii yuko na sisi. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuona kwa nini ya kwamba hatujaona mheshimiwa mwenyewe anashughulika kwa sehemu hii.
En kasarata korirta afisaekab police afisayat neborchingei imandab kipkosobei en county nebo Uasin Gishu Kimutai Kirui en mwaet kole manyolu kotesentai nametab biik amakiiti kapkirwok.
The owner of the clinic alikamatwa na kaachiliwa na daktari mwingine akakamatwa tena kaachiliwa. Watu wa kutoa katika clinic hiyo ni watu walikuwa in plain clothes. Tena akapelekwa kwa Hamad Fieko. Pale kulikuwa na askari. Na huyu jamaa akatoka pale na akapotea from that second mpaka leo. And maybe kuna watu walikuwa wanataka information from this doctor, wajue ni nani alitibiwa hapo, ni nani alikuwa analeta huyo mtu hapo. If that is the case, wangechukua yeye kama witness.
Correct.
Dr. Oscar serikali, make him a prosecution witness. Don't kill these people.
Englet kokachutyi afisaekab police akoit koyat mengichoto oret asikotestai tetutikab loiset akot en kasarta nekatestai kokimit kandoinatet netonondochin ripsetab kalyet kole maingen ole mitei weroto amatinygei ichek ak nametab murenichoto.
Alipotelea wapi? Akiwa hapa ama akiwa huko chini? Mkaenda mkapiga ripoti wapi kwamba mtu yule amepotea? Hapa ama tot? Sasa tunaona vile mnaendelea kujijibu maswali wenyewe. Tunaona sasa sisi hatungejua ile kitu imehappen tot na distance tunaona ni mrefu kidogo.
Kong'eten nganaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV kanenyi ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Kangomwa Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki kole manyalu ketesyi bolatet boisionik chetesetai kosuldae serikalitab Kenya Kwanza eng komaswek cheterter. Kong'ololi eng komosta nebo Mwala eng county nebo Machakos kokamwa Kindiki kole makat kobois anan kebos matab bolatet neotesetai kwa barak missing eng emet eng mwaet kole takolo missing kasarta nebo lewenisiet.
Na sisi tunauliza wakati tunafanya hii mambo ya maendeleo tusiingize siasa, kwa sababu mambo ya siasa ni mambo ya uchaguzi, na saa hii hakuna uchaguzi. Kwani kuna uchaguzi saa hii? Iko kampeni saa hii? Sisi tumekuja hapa kampeni leo, kuna uchaguzi saa hii? Si uchaguzi ni 2027 jameni. Sasa ni wakati wa viongozi wote kushikana mkono, hata wakiwa ni watu ya upinzani. Sasa hivi tushindane kuleta maendeleo na kusimama na wananchi. Siku ya campaign na uchaguzi ikifika, hapo ndio tutashindana maneno ya uchaguzi na maneno ya siasa. Mnataka siasa ama maendeleo? Mnaenda siasa kama mnaenda maendeleo? Mnaenda udhinambe? Wacha nione wale anasema mnaenda udhinambe, udhinambe, udhinambe. Na mimi unajua mimi sikuangi na mambo mengi. Mimi kazi yangu naielewa vizuri. Haitakangi mambo mengi. Kwa sababu kusaidia rais kubeba mzigo wa Kenya nzima sio kazi kidogo vile watu wengi wanafikiria. Ni kazi ngumu. Na ni kubeba Kenya nzima, waliokupigia kura, wale hawakukupigia kura pia wewe ndiye kiongozi wao. Si kazi ngumu na inahitaji maombi. Kwa sababu rais anajua hakuchaguliwa na kila mtu, lakini ndiye rais wa taifa la Kenya. Iko rais mwingine jameni? Na kura, mtu kupiga kura ni haki yake. Mwananchi akipigia huyu apigie huyo ni haki yake. Kwa hivyo rais, wakati nimemwambia nakuja hapa, aliwashukuru. Kwanza kabisa akasema anajua wengi wenu mlimpigia kura na anasema asante. Na wale wachache hawakumpigia kura siku ile pia alisema asante kwa sababu mtampigia kesho. Ama namna gani jameni? Mtamsupport huko mbele. So ameniambia ni namna hii tuendelee kujenga taifa. Siku ya campaign itakuja siku ile. Mimi nauliza mtukubalie, tutafutane sisi zote viongozi ambao wako na msimamo wa utaifa. Tutafutane ili tujenge taifa moja thabiti, sio taifa ya kelele na vita na matusi na malumbano. Viongozi wote wa nia njema, hata awe ni kiongozi wa upinzani, awe ni kiongozi serikalini, tutafutane ili tujiweke nguvu, tujumuike pamoja na wananchi, tujenge nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa sababu umoja ni nguvu, utengano ni udhaifu. Hakuna kura inapigwa saa hii. Mwenye anataka kusimama viti, ikifika siku ya kusimama atasimama. Lakini kwa sasa viongozi wote wa nia njema, tutafutane, tushikane sisi pamoja, tujenge taifa letu la Kenya.
Koret agenge nebo kero kele kakiyapta atebet ak pitetab bororietab Nandi kokakotoi serikalitab Nandi tetutiet nenaat ko cultural mashinani netokyingei konet biik chemengech akobo pitetab Nandi koboto etunet ole kamwa CC Scholar Tue kole tete korutechi sub-counties lo chebo Nandi County asikonet neranik. Amwa Tue kole tete kora kochob cultural festivals eng arawetab 10 kenyini niwendi koboiboenjin Orgoyatab Nandi Koitalel Arap Samoei.
Kondochin igortab culture mashinani nekakiyai eng woditab Sangalo Kiplonik eng kot neng'ate ng'atutik nebo Mosop komwa CC nebo culture, gender and social welfare serikalitab county nebo Nandi Scholar Tue kole tokyinetabgei nebo culture mashinani ko kiwek pitet ak atebetab bororietab Nandi chekikakobetyo koboto ortinwek chenyolu keib asikiwek.
Kitepto ano tibik, kitepto ano murenik, kitepto ano leketiet, kitepto ano boisiek, kitepto ano kwonyik, kitepto ano kandoik chok cheu akot Koitalel Arap Samoei, cheu akot Jean Marie Seronei chebo atkinye keny. Kikaripto ano emet eng betusiek chotok? Amune sikibwoti icheket rani? Kibwoti amu kikobois, kikayai boisiet nekararan. Ako Nandi ndani komakanye tengek. Tibik chok ki olikinye kimakoburtos tibik eng gaa. Ako kingokakobur ko kimi ole kikiteptoi. Ki olikinye ko kimakoonugei lakwet eng konyi. Kingoonu ko kimi ole kikitikondoi chepyosok. Kimeche kerib atebenyo.
Sai komlen kilenji lakwa kakikoiten. Komakooni kikoitoi lakwet lakini komi kenyit agenge anan arawek ata kole manokyon kilen ngololi lakwet kole mamache anai.
Eng komostanyi komwa MCA nebo woditab Sangalo Kiplonik Silas Koko kole chang tugukab keny chekenetkei biik chemengechen chekomokongen cheboto ole king'oitoi beek, record player nebo keny koboto amitwogikab keny eng kwenutab kanetutik alak chekanyor ng'alek chekarob eut MCA Milka Chumba koboto Pamela Magut.
Makongen lagok chon cham kokere kit nekakinde boisiek yepteket nekakelechi kekure olongoit, kakiborwech koitab Mui, koitab Bai, kakiborwech kora kot nebo Nandi nebo Bonyerian nekararan nebo kwong'ut nekitom kai kekere.
Kakiro kipkiro ole kikiyoitoi tumdo nekibo keny ak tuguk chekikiboisie. Mi anyun kit age nekekure chepkinyit nekindoi beek cheking'oe kot kekwany bechatak che rani betusiechu kikeboisie ketortoronishe, lakini kiking'oe beek kot komong beek chekekwonye. Kakirore kot pulea ak nyu age neo netebes netinye sanit netieni chekibo keny.
Kakokerchigei lagokab sukul tuguk chechang chekanyokotebena age kanyo age akonyo komuta kolecho kikure neni kobetwo kito nekawalchi mwanafunzi amu tugukab keny.
Tinye tarusiek chekibo gaa kitokomi culture nekibendi tibikab Nandi ketinye utamaduni noto ngakikeisto kotokomi kabarunoik kele kakiune tumdab Nandi.
Makat kinetkei kutinyo akot komatkemete kutitab chego. Nekosoma ichek tugul kinetkei ako tugul ibo sukul ko kikochi boroindo lagok chok asikobit kinet kutini nekibo Nandi.
Eng komostanyi kosom chief officer eng department notok bo culture Benjamin Kiprotich MCA kotakoteshi chepkondok ministry notok asikomuch koityi komoswek chechang chebo county nebo Nandi eng kanetisietab atebet ak pitetab keny ole kamwa kole tokyingei kochob serikalitab county nebo Nandi cultural festival neo eng arawetab 10 kenyini nitokyingei kibwate Orgoiyot Koitalel Arap Samoei.
Madhumuni nebo culture mashinani ko kowek culture nenyo neki ateptonyo atebenyo nekiba kong'ete olikinye akoi. Department nito bo culture eng Nandi County ko department nemining ako ng'ering'en chepkondok chekikikonech. Kosomenyo nekisome county assembly ak kesome executive kele koteswech budget koet asikobit kesungukan Nandi mzima kiweku culture, kiwekyi bikyok culture, kinet bikyok
tarik 16, tarik 17, tarik 18, tarik 19 ketuiye tugul sikibwat kirwogindet murenet Kipngebeb kandoindetab Nandi nikindo kot kon chumbindet nebirir akobar icheket noto koitalel Arap Samoei nikikibar ako kenyisiek 120 kotab kebar.
Kong'ete taonitab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Cornelius Keter.
Kakomwa Principal Secretary nebo somanet Professor Julius Bitok kole tete serikali kotech laboratories cheite 1,600 eng sukulishek tugul chebo emoni koite let nebo arawetab 11 kenyini asikobit kotoret eng kanabtaetab somanet eng sukulishek tugul.
Eng rutoyoto korutochi kebeberta nebo Tarbo kasarta noto nekayat korik chekisomane eng sukulishekab Kaplelach Secondary School, Kapsao Secondary School, Cherame ak Christ the King Sambut kolos Professor Julius Bitok president noto nebo emoni akobo tetutik chotok chemyachen chotok chebo somanet cheboto katabanetab rabinik chotok chekitoreti eng somanet ak kanabtaetab somanet noto nebo CBE.
Serikali ya William Ruto pia imesema kwamba itaendelea kuweka investment. Juzi mumepata hapa capitation. Najua kulikuwa na changamoto mingi. Serikali ilitoa 22 billion 2 weeks ago. Ikaleta mpaka Cherame milioni 1.2. 1.2 million mulipata hapa kutoka national government. Ndio iweze kusaidia kurun operations ya hii shule. Na tunaendelea kufanya hivyo. Tunajua kwamba hiyo pesa labda haitoshi sana. Lakini tutaendelea kuwasiliana na watu wa National Treasury ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba pesa ambayo imetengwa kwa mambo ya elimu imeweza kufika mashule zetu. Na tumeanza system mpya ambayo inaitwa KEMIS ambayo itakuja kutusaidia kuhakikisha kwamba kila shule katika taifa letu la Kenya imeweza kupata pesa kulingana na the number of students they have in school. So tunafanya juu chini kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wamepata elimu na elimu thabiti.
Ilosu ine siretab kanetik neo kotestai eng emoni olemwoe kole tinye tetutik serikalitab emoni noto nebo koro kole kakitech laboratories chesire 1,100 eng sukulishek tugul chotok chebo emoni amait let noto nebo kenyini.
Kwa sababu serikali ya Kenya Kwanza inawapenda, ndio serikali ya Kenya Kwanza imeemploy walimu 76,000, record in the history of Kenya. Ile maserikali ya mbele, serikali ya Moi ilikuwa inaandika 2,000, 3,000. Ya Kibaki 4,000, 5,000. Ya Uhuru 6,000, 7,000. Ya William Ruto inaenda kuandika walimu 100,000. Kuna serikali inashinda hiyo jamani? 100,000 teachers. Serikali pia imeamua kwamba kwa mambo ya infrastructure we are going to ensure that serikali this year between July and December tumejenga labs 1,600 na hiyo lab moja itakuja kwa hii shule. So unajua kidole ni yangu. Sawa. So naenda kuweka tu Cherame tick. Sawa. Mnapata lab. So unajua ni faida ya serikali. Cherame ni before December mko na lab hapa. Na sio Cherame peke yake, mimi nafanya chunga pia Kenya nzima. We are doing 1,600 labs around the country.
Kamite MP nebo Tarbo Janet Sitienei nesome kotaketes siretab kanetik eng constituency noto nebo Tarbo asikobit konyor boroindo kanetik tugul chotok chetokomite eng kandaras.
Kutuongezea now that you are in that helm, na pia ningependa kuomba ya kwamba tuko na walimu wengi ambao hawajapata kazi, ambao hawajaandikwa kazi, na tungependa ya kwamba ukumbuke hilo jambo katika Tarbo constituency. We have well over 500 teachers that have not been employed.
Kaikoito kurset koityi kipsomaninik kokilchigei somanet ak atebet nemie eng kasarwek tugul.
Kando ya kutuletea watoto kama wazazi, tunataka tuwaombe, tusungumuze na watoto wetu nyumbani, tusungumuze na watoto wetu shuleni kama wazazi, ili tuweze kuimarisha maadili mema, ili tuweze kuimarisha tabia nzuri kwa watoto wetu. If we instill that, sisi tutajua kama wazazi ya kwamba pale siku za usoni tuko na watu ambayo watategemewa na hii serikali ama hii taifa letu tukufu. When these facilities are provided for you, they are provided for you so that you can have conducive learning environment.
Kong'ete taonitab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Isaac Kogei.
Kagomwa CC nebo tililindo eng serikalitab county nebo Bomet Dr. Joseph Sitonik kole tagomite kaimutik eng tetutiet nebo siretabke eng tuget nelel nebo Shine County notok bo Bomet kosubke ak nemotindo kibandok meng'ik chechang. Kamwa Sitonik kole ngandan imugakse anan imanguge biik chechang komache kosirge eng SHA komanyoru kamuget kosirge amu matindoi kibandok kole kasom serikalit neo nebo emoni kotoret bichotok konyor kibandok.
Kongololi en Kiricha en sub-county nebo Sotik en medical camp komwa CEC nebo konyoiset en county nebo Bomet Dr. Joseph Sitoni kole tinye chamet biikab emet en tuget nebo SHA kobaten kaimutiet neo ko kibandok chemotinye ichek kit nekoikochi kosubet chief officer nebo medical services en county inoton Felix Langat. Kasom ichek serikali koker kole kaipchi komonut chobetab kibandok asikomuch koityi biikab emet kosirge en SHA.
Mi biik chemakitindoi bondo konon kaokas kele yon kakenyoru shida neunon kemwoitoi sikeker kele kakitoret biik kora konyor kibondo kit nesibu ko ng'alekab konyo koregistange. Number 2 kora tabu ko sirekei chito agenge amatakotesta spouse anan chito ne chepyoset anan ko boiyot amatakotesta law. Kimoche keapilen kele kimoche kesom kele ongesir our dependents. Ngele dependents ko ng'eten chepyoset anan chepyosok ak lagok. Kit age kora nekotoretech kasinieb medical camps ko okase ole ngeyai ng'alekab registration en Bomet ko ki number 2. Ni ko oret agenge ne kichobe nambaisiek kyok chebo registration koba barak. Ako angen ole yakitestai kouni very soon kesaposen even on number 1.
Ne betutab amut ko CHPs chechoket ko register over 100 people. Ora ko the numbers have gone up. Ma registration kityok lakini keteshi kora dependence to the SHA. One of the biggest challenge ne kokinotice en enrollment nebo SHA ko matinye biik chechang kibandok. So and going forward ko yoche ngunon bakeng'ololchin the national government asikenyokeai tugul noibore registration nebo huduma mashinani en ng'alekab ID. Nyokeyochi biik registration nebo ID yekakochobok ng'alek chebo ID ke-enrollen en ng'alekab SHA.
Kora kokamwa Langat kole togu komi barak kaimutik chebo mionwek en kokwotinwek ak medical camps chekokotestai kosuldaen serikalitab county nebo Bomet kokotoret missing ko nekakisuldaen en Kiricha Health Center nekatokyingei konyoisetab miondab konyek.
En taa ko kikaipangan kobunchi ng'alekab kelek kityok dental clinic. Lakini kotiengei need nekokiker en betutab amut nebo general camp koyai kolasimisan waziri komeken a decision keker kele en betutab rani koite center kora the medical camps chekitinye. So en ketinye different services. Kitinye services cheikoito en atkai tugul en sipitali kong'eten ng'alekab kepiman sukaruk, pressure, miten labisiek koyob oeng'u, miten kora ng'alekab konyek chekeyoe en komosi. Majorly in this other section ko ng'alekab kelek. This camp has been a major success. O kakonetech tuguk chechang echek ko ki biik chebo department nebo health kenai kele chang needs chemokyingei biik en villages, especially this one of the remotest area en Sotik ko ele tonondoi biik ko speaks to several things in terms of kasit nebo kecheng kesiken medical attention.
Kong'eten county nebo Bomet logoiwekab emet chebo KAS kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
Mite maget nebo ematunwek tugul koker kole kakikanapta tetutik cheitorchingei ribetab imanda nebo biik chetinye kaimutietab makatet anan albinism eng katorchinet nebo keker kele kanyor katiaknatet ak imanda nebo kochengchigei sobet nekararan kou biik alak chemotinye kaimutionotok. Ng'alalen kebeberta nebo Huruma kasarta nekakibwat betutab World Albinism Day kokasom First Lady Rachel Ruto biikab emoni koker kole kaek kiptainik eng tetutik cheitorchingei ribetab biik chetinye kaimutionotok amu tinye ichek imanda nebo komeng'is kou biik alak eng emet. Kinyoru reports kobun Timothy Kiplimo.
Kaindochi korata kakiyai en kiwanjetab Huruma nemiten county nebo Uasin Gishu First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto ole kamwa kole kakoit kasarta nenyolu keityi kamanutiet neo sobetab biik chetinye kaimutietab makatet anan albinos en emoni.
Our children, neighbors and colleagues living with albinism
all contribute richly to our communities and deserve a Kenya that champions inclusivity and fairness. It is essential that they have the opportunity to learn without fear, advance in their workplaces based on their merit, and feel fully accepted and embraced. This is not merely an act of kindness, but a fundamental right that we should all advocate for.
Kaikimit Mamarecho kole chang kaimutik ak pichinwek chebune biik chetinye kewelutik choto ako noto konyolu konyor tiet kobun motweshek tugul en emet.
The challenges faced by people living with albinism are not just personal. They reflect a societal issue that requires our collective action. Together, we can work towards dismantling the barriers that hinder their progress and erode their dignity. Let us promote education and awareness to challenge stereotypes and misconceptions surrounding albinism. By fostering an environment of acceptance, we can help ensure that everyone, regardless of their appearance, is treated with the dignity and respect they deserve.
En kasarata komo Mamarecho kole tinye kamangunet neo kole mite emoni en oret ne kararan en kanaptaetab sobetab biik chetinye kewelinwek cheterter en borwekwak.
I firmly believe it is our shared responsibility to cultivate a society where everyone can thrive, where differences are not just accepted but celebrated. I applaud the National Council for Persons with Disabilities and the Kenya Medical Supplies Authority for distributing sunscreen free of charge to over 3,800 registered Kenyans through health facilities.
Kamite korata ngalalindetab serikali Isaac Mwaura nekarogenchi kit nekamwa kole kikibete sobonwek biik chesire 600 chetinye kaimutyonoto en Afrika. Kini kamache emotinwek chemiten continent nebo Afrika koityi kamanutiet nenyolu sobetab biik chetinye kewelutik choto.
Kenya is actually a leader in issues of albinism, so that the AU Special Envoy can actually be appointed, so that then they can be able to work on our AU action plan, so that the whole of Africa can stop this challenge of killing us. We have lost over 600 people with albinism in Africa. 600 over the years. And so we need to stop that by having an AU Special Envoy. We have the UN independent expert, a lady from Zambia. Previously we had Ike Iro from Nigeria. Kenya is really the leader in this regard.
Kong'eten kanaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kanenyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Mache Senator nebo Nandi Samson Cherargei koaror serikali amune asikoregune aletab chaik eng komaswekab North Rift ngeketyin ak komaswek alak chebo emet. Eng logoiyot nekakon eng Senate kokamwa Cherargei kole magat eng serikali kong'ong kakwautik chekikotoi chetokchingei koker kole kanyor kabatik aliet nekararan nebo chaik asikeisto kalutinet age tugul eng alietab chaik.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Request for a statement on reduction of tea prices by tea companies in the North Rift and other regions in the country. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries on a matter of national concern regarding the reduction of tea prices by companies in North Rift and other regions in the country, considering that the tea prices in other parts of the country remain a higher and stable price. In the statement, Mr. Speaker, the committee should address the following. 1. The reasons why only tea factories, mainly located in Nandi, Kericho, and Bomet counties, have in recent months reduced their buying price of tea from farmers to as low as Kenya shillings 17 shillings per kilo cumulatively, without engaging the farmers in the price determination process. So, Speaker, number 2, the measures in place to ensure that the Tea Board of Kenya regulates the entry of unscrupulous business persons who exploit farmers and to promote fair and stable tea prices across the country. Number 3, Mr. Speaker, the total amount deducted and remitted as cess by tea factories in Nandi County during the financial years 2023-2024 and financial year 2024-2025, indicating how these funds are being utilized, including details of finance project and any other corporate social responsibilities, activities undertaken. Number 4, Mr. Speaker, the measures in place by the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development and the Tea Board of Kenya to cushion small-scale farmers from the low prices of tea. Finally, Mr. Speaker, the strategies the government intends to implement to ensure that farmers receive fair bonuses and fair prices for their produce, especially in the light of prevailing low prices and market stability under the guarantee minimum return.
Kakobit kaimutiet anan kokobit kaimutiet nebo rerunetab mbirokab condom eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet kong'ete ngotelele emetab Amerika taritet neikochini Ampath ak kibagengeisiek alak chetinyegei ak kirindaetab miondab ukimwi.
Kaimutiet neo nekokobit kong'ete koisto emetab Amerika toretet kobun kibagengeitab Ampath eng kirindaetab miondab ukimwi ko rarunetab mbirok chekitere mionoto eng kasartab chomyet anan condoms eng county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet. Kaimongei nito ikangoyai tuyet ofisaek kobun kibagengenoto bo Ampath ak county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ole kamwa ofisayat nebo kibagengenoto neindochini care programs eng kibagengenoto bo Ampath kole nganda kokotoi letaetab kei nebo kerichekab ARVs kotakomite kaimutiet neo nebo rarunetab mbirok choto bo condom.
Kwa sasa dawa ya HIV yani ARVs ziko katika mahospitali zetu kwa kila mahali hapa kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Mahali iko tatizo kidogo maneno ya condoms, bado iko shida kidogo, lakini pia kwa sababu inashughulikiwa na watu wengi, yani serikali ya Kenya na donors, lakini nafikiri serikali inafanya kila jukumu ya kuweza kupata hizi. Na serikali ya Amerika pia imerudi na imeweza kuongezea. Njia ya kuzuia yani prevention of HIV hiyo inaendelea na tunasaidiwa pia na serikali yetu na NASCOP na prevention program iko kwa hali ya juu na tunaendelea kufanya hivyo.
Kang'ong ofisa noto kole akot nganda kiisto emetab Amerika toretonoto bo Ampath kotakotindoi chepkondok cheimuchi kosuldae tetutyonoto bo boriet nekitokchini mionoto bo ukimwi akoi arawetab 12 kenyini.
Tuna bahati kwamba US government yani USAID na wameturudisha na wameendelea kutupatia funding ya HIV hapa katika Elgeyo Marakwet County. Ingawa sisi tumekuwa wachache sasa, ilikuwa mechanisms kama Ampath 60 lakini tumerudishwa 11.
Eng komostanyi komwa governor nebo county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet Wesley Rotich kole nganda kikakeisto tetutyonoto emetab Amerika kokichobot county noto kotoret biikab county noto eng kirindaetab mionoto bo HIV AIDS.
Ilisimamishwa muda mfupi, lakini huyu profesa na timu yake Ampath walitusaidia sana kwa sababu dawa walikuwa wametupatia dawa ya kutusaidia miezi chache na baadaye kidogo ikarudishwa kama bado tulikuwa na dawa. Kwa hivyo tungependa kushukuru sana Profesa Kimayo kwa sababu ile planning yake ilitusaidia sana, na pia alikuwa ameanza kutrain watu wetu wa county waanze kujifanya wenyewe. Kwa hivyo sisi kama Elgeyo Marakwet tulikuwa tumeanza kujifunza jinsi ya kutibu na kuchunga wale clients wote, na hiyo sasa tumeelezana leo, kutoka leo kuendelea mbele hatutawacha hiyo program ya kufunza watu wetu, ili hapo mbeleni tukilemewa tena then hata hii program ikiisha watu wetu wa county wanaweza wakaendeleza bila wasiwasi yoyote.
Kong'ete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu Andrew Kimeto.
Tesetai kamunitab Safaricom kobun tetutiet nebo Safaricom Hook Power Land Project kokochin kamuget neranikab emoni komuch kotoi apps cheterter koib walutik eng sectors cheterter ak kolang sobonwekwak. Kosubkei ak Safaricom kotindoi kamuget neranik nebo kotoi tuguk che lelach chekanaptoi mung'aret ak bandaptai koboto koib walet eng sobonwekwak.
Kaimong Safaricom neranik chesire 250 kobun counties 47 chekonyor kanetisiet nebo wikishek 16 kotinygei ak taunetab apps chotok eng tetutietab Safaricom Hook ole koimuch ichek kotoi apps chetoreti eng kanaptaetab sekta nebo ICT eng emoni. Kaboibochi neranik chotok kakimong kanetisiet nebo barak nekonyor eng mwaet kole imuchi eng inguni kotoi apps koboto softwares chetoreti icheket konyor rabinik ako nyumnyum yaetab mung'aret.
Mamangu alikuwa kwa chama fulani, so hii chama kuna siku yenye kuna mtu mwenye alipotea na pesa, so na hii chama tena ni kuandika. Nikakaa chini nikafikiria what if nitengeneze project ama web ya kuwasaidia. Kakuja na project inaitwa M-Chama. So hii M-Chama inasaidia hawa watu kulipa na M-Pesa through STK push.
Nature Chat is not just a chat application. It is an application which is integrated with M-Pesa, which allows users to make payments. It's fast, it is secure.
I've developed an app, it's on Play Store, called Skylink. It's an app for selling data binders.
And we have developed a prototype that validates our solution. I hope you have been able to test it for those who have been able to do so.
Even if I see fancy things here, I'm not willing to come here to be a developer. I want to own this.
Kusupak Executive Director nebo Powerland Project Africa, Mumbi Ndung'o, konyolu konyor neranik konetisietab ICT asikoek taunikab tuguk anan innovators cheu apps ak softwares chekiboisien eng yaetab mung'aret asikolongei eng sobet.
This is just the beginning. I am extremely grateful for this opportunity. My team here, amazing. And I'm looking forward to taking this to the next level. And you know, I'm a person of my words. If you ask anyone, whatever I say, I always do. And to start, I make an official commitment now for the next cohort. For this cohort, we started together. We had a partnership, and I officially make a commitment. We make a commitment to skill 300 women, and I need you to match it.
Eng kasarata komwa Chief Consumer Business Officer eng Safaricom, Fosia Ali Kimanthi, kole tindoi maget Safaricom nebo konet neranik konai ng'alekab ICT asikomuch koyai mung'aret nebo digital akolongei eng sobet.
So for me, for now, it's to say congratulations. Let me tell you, today just celebrate. Yeah, celebrate. It's a momentous time. You have equipped yourselves with the skills of the future. Please celebrate with your families, and don't stop now. This is like, I normally say, it's like we've planted a seed.
If you're looking for credit beyond the partners, the wonderful banking partners that are here, there's something called the Youth Fund. And if you apply there, they will give you seed funding at a much lower rate. So the opportunities are available, but the onus is on us as young people to take advantage of them and to step up to the plate. You've done the first step. The next step is going to be a little harder, but you can do it.
Eng komastanyi kokamwa Data Commissioner Immaculate Kasait kole nyolu eng neranik konyorune keljin boroinwekab mung'aret chebo digital eng mwaet kole chobot serikali kotoret neranikab emoni konyorune keljin talents chekwai akoyai mung'aretab digital netoreti icheket kolongei eng sobet.
The graduation of these talented young individuals who have successfully completed the transformative program of Power Learning Project stands as a testament to the advancing digital transformation and strengthening data governance in Kenya. Initiatives such as this aim to open doors to deepen collaboration, supporting youth-led innovation that prioritizes data privacy and protection. And I did ask as we walked around, how are you embedding data protection? Because you don't want to have a very good product and then you have issues around trust and governance. It's important to embed data protection.
Eng logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kainenyu ko Bernard Tanoe.
Chitab Kalenjin kakituk chotok kaimetab logoiwek chok chebo emet kakemuch keibun kong'ete studio nebo Kass TV kokoi missing obaranden kaikonech iker logoiwekab emet. Kigurena Jacqueline Arusei ak amakon kit age tugul nemie.